I'm back with another easy recipe. This time we're making crispy biringanya. You want to grab 3 medium-sized biringanyas and slice them up. We're aiming for about a ½ inch thickness. Don't make them too thick and don't make them too thin. Very important. So the next step is to sprinkle some salt, and these then need to sit for about 15 minutes to remove the bitter juice. Let me know if you learned this as well. After 15 minutes, you'll see a lot of liquid come out. You want to then give them a very good rinse to remove the excess salt. And then the next step is the good stuff, panko crumbs. You also need all-purpose flour and 2 eggs. Coat the biringanya in your flour and make sure it's really well coated, and then dunk it into the egg. And finally, coat it with the panko crumbs. The egg will help the panko crumbs stick to it. Set it aside and repeat with the rest of the biringanyas. The next step is to fry them until they're nice and golden brown. I swear watching them dance in the oil is so hypnotizing. Place your cooked biringanya on a wire rack to drain off any excess oil, and all that's left to do now is just sprinkle some sea salt, chop a little coriander, sprinkle that on top, and call it a day. So nice and crispy. Try not to eat them all before they make it to the table. I'll catch you guys in the next video.